Johnson Chan. So normally I would do this video much earlier in the morning, but I was talking with my lawyer, so we're just hammering out the details of like the evidence and proofs and all this shit and proof of identity, and that's actually pretty important. And all this other annoying trademark litigation bullshit. So you know, just had to spend quite a few hours on that, but I'm finished. And then yesterday I did a lot of coding, and then today I'll probably do the same. But man, this shit is actually very annoying. But I mean, I guess that's just how it goes. But the good news is I also have backup plans in case everything goes to shit, which would obviously piss me off a lot. But you know, show must go on, as they say in show business. So anyway, I kind of want to get back to work, so I want to do this real quick. So once again, we've been blindsided. Blindsided. Also, why is Riot down? Did Bitcoin go down? Oh, Bitcoin did go down. Oh, that's too bad because it was looking like it was going to go up. So, except Solana, which is popping off. I actually might look into Solana because apparently they're also another DeFi platform. They have no fees, and they might not have this bullshit that we're about to talk about with fucking Pancake swap, with lowering APRs due to voting, which is just retarded. Because that means rich people will just manipulate the vote like they always fucking do. So anyway, so the first thing I should probably say is I had to sell all my Hotbit BNB liquidity pools, right? Because apparently they were actually listed as one of the people to vote against, and they lowered their fucking APR. Now it's down to like 40-something% or something really shitty. Let me see. Can I search for it here? Which is annoying because they say, well, you just want to get rid of the shit coins. But Hotbit BNB is a legit coin. Well, I'm not logged in. So let me just put in 100 grand here. Yeah, it's 53.35. So the liquidity got tanked. Like everything just went down for it. So, and I dumped all my tokens because obviously there's no point in holding it. Let me see, how much is Hotbit token down? And it was a good coin too. Like there was nothing wrong with it. And then they now it's down to a little under 41 cents, but it's going down much lower because I don't know why they just screwed them over. And then they got rid of a bunch of other coins I never heard of. So this was obviously some kind of targeted hit against Hotbit, which pisses me off. So I don't know. But first, let's just see. So the markets are down today a bit. So there's some fear. So there's just more vaccine appeal. Okay, so there's some pullbacks. Okay. Oh yeah, geopolitical concerns. Yeah, because the American regime is falling, which is good. Bond. Yeah. So there's a lot of fear in the markets right now, as we can see, because these bond yields are going down. So which means cash is going into the debt market because people are just stupid and fearful and retarded. So we already looked at crypto, so it's pulling back a little bit, so that fear is now creeped into cryptocurrencies as well, because this would have been a really good day too. So I also sold my Ledger X positions out of frustration, and then I sold puts on it just to see what would happen, and it was actually kind of interesting. I found that if I sold puts on Ledger X, like especially deep in the money puts, the break even is actually still around 46,000 for Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's not going to go down much further than that unless we have another mini correction, which is fine because that's what happens. And the worst that'll happen is I'll just have to buy my extra Bitcoin at a little extra price, which doesn't matter because I collected so much in premiums. So maybe for Ledger X, the play might actually be to just simply sell options, just like Rig recommends for selling options in the stock market. The problem is, if Bitcoin really does skyrocket, I still want calls. Because then you make way more money off of that. But I already have Riot blockchain calls for that, so yeah, we'll have to see. But for the most part, DeFi is definitely a much safer bet, even with stupid bullshit like this. And yeah, I think I got out with a little bit of profit too. Because I definitely did get out of profit with that. Like when I sold everything, and that doesn't include all the profits I've been pulling out of that. So, so I'm referring to the Hotbit BNB token. Alright, so with that being said, let's see. Yeah, crypto still looks pretty solid despite the large amount of fear in the market. Yeah, my God, Solana has basically doubled its price like in less than a week. Alright, we're going to have to look at what Solana is. Because I've heard of this before. I know it was a good coin, but it's just I just have too many options. But I would like a replacement for Pancake Swap, because now they have a mechanism that'll just fuck over anybody, right, through so-called voting. Now the good news is that at least they post the voting, but if they don't post the voting, just remove the APR anyway. You know. Essential car for okay. This is best project DeFi Web 3.3. Okay. So I guess Solana is its own blockchain, right? Because let's find out what this is. Because I may want to actually move to Solana. Is there a description here? So it's an open source project to provide DeFi solutions. Okay. It's not designed to facilitate DeFi apps. Okay, so it does dApps and DeFi. Good. User scale entry proof of history could come out with underlying proof of stake. Oh yes, good old proof of stake. Who are the founders? So this guy is the most important person at Solana. He started in Qualcomm. That company I know of. I know there's some kind of like internet broadband company or something. I know it's a tech company. Where he quickly moved up the ranks and became senior staff engineer in 2015. When his professional path shifted, he entered a new position as software engineer at Dropbox. So this guy definitely knows how to code. Because Dropbox, I mean everyone knows Dropbox, I assume. Which is owned by Microsoft, I think. In 2017, he would work on a project that would later become Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm buddy, Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs, attracting more than several. Okay, so he's basically poaching people from Qualcomm. Proof of history, greater scalability, space for the creative product of Pancake oscillator, decrease on smart contract execution, lightning fast processing times, and there's a lot of institutional interest in Solana as well. Damn, looks like I ignored. There's just too much shit here for. There's too many good coins on CoinMarketCap, man. Okay, so distribution as follows. How is it secured? Where can you buy Solana? One choice is what's this? Solana is SOL. Let's see. Hotbit. Let me see. Can you buy Solana? I'm pretty sure you must be able to buy Solana off of Hotbit. Troy is getting listed on 2 exchanges. You want to play some buy or you might want to get some easy profit. I'm probably gonna pass. I never heard of Troy. Is it related to gold? Because I don't want to deal with gold. I really hate precious metals now at this point. Yeah, that's Solana. Okay, so that's Solana. My God, this thing's gonna be so freaking expensive. Okay, so DeFi projects on Solana. Okay, the only thing I see is Solana.com. Well, that's their official site, so. Okay, with support from. Yeah, that's too bad too, because I really like Pancake Swap, but that voting mechanism bullshit is so stupid. Because they're just gonna literally manipulate. Because a lot of people have already lost money too. Like I was lucky, but the whole point of DeFi is so that you wouldn't get screwed like that. Okay, what the hell is this? Well, okay. Is there like a two new highs with DeFi project launch? Okay. So it looks like DeFi has just come out. Sol a new record. Sol USD range. Okay. Sol ecosystem upgrades. Mango offers a plan for supply lending for sources liquidity. Working on it very soon. No, Mango markets is for all USD might play. Okay. Other launch of Wormhole coming. Well, great. We're just gonna have to keep track of this. Okay. Let's go to YouTube. Someone DeFi Solana. Great, I can't even block it. Wonderful. How to yield farm on Solana 3 months ago. Getting started Solana DeFi hard NFT platforms 1 week ago. Hey, did you try playing Axis Infinity to earn money? A lot of third world will quit their job to go full time playing Axis Infinity's play to earn. Yeah, I was actually kind of interested in that, but don't you have to put money into it first before you can play it? No, that's the price of the actual token. Ah, come on. Also, how much does it cost to like start? And can you play it free to play? Yeah, this thing plays on the Ethereum network. I think I did look at this, but then the problem is you have to put in like 3 Ethereum. Getting started. Download digital wallet, download the Ronin wallet. Okay, quietly from the Axie market. So yeah, this runs on the Ethereum network, and you have to deposit 3 Axis Infinity, which isn't that bad. I mean, right now that's like what, $200. Problem is, I don't like Ethereum because the fees are retardedly high. Like to send something costs like $50. I mean, if the cost wasn't so, I think this is the list of all the DeFis. All right. Well, he listed Phantom first. Grail wallet you'll love. No, that's a crypto wallet. Okay. Saber, Bridge. Okay, what's Bridge? Is Bridge here? No. There's Saber.so. Okay. DeFi's cross-chain liquidity is the leading cross-chain stablecoin wrapped assets exchange on Solana. They look like they only do DeFi for stablecoins. That's not what we want. Okay. So Mercurial.finance. Let's see. Okay, we have... Seriously? Alright, I don't want stable coins. I want actual DeFi. Synthetic, launch, false, browser. Okay, no front running, fair asset prices. Ah, jeez. Great. I think I just came from there. This sounds like a game. Give guarantee, live a life, and win. Okay, so it's an NFT game. Damn, that's probably pretty good too, actually. Don't show again. This is an so this is mostly NFT stuff. There's no. Look at this last one. Okay, and they're sold out of what I assume will be NFTs. Okay, I'm not gonna deal with that. All right. Fuck, I guess we're stuck with fucking Pancake Swap, which is annoying because now you have to go on their Twitter, right? Now we have to go on their Twitter. I unfollowed them because of this shit, because this really fucking pisses me off. So basically what happens is they have a reference, assuming they post a vote, and then every time they because they're going to put another vote on Wednesday or Thursday, they said. So we definitely have to look at farms to be discontinued. One, really? Harmony Coin? Farms to have their weight lowered, and then Hotbit BNB was listed at the bottom. Now, I've not really heard of most of these. A couple of them I have heard. The total reduced 11.4, and then they increased the weight. And of course, all of these stupid F words, you know, like, basically people with money will just manipulate the vote. It's so stupid. Like, this is why I don't like democracy anymore, because we get shit like this. In a democracy, evil rich people will always be in control. So you're not actually free. It's a fucking scam. So for now, I guess we're stuck with Pancake Swap unless you want to switch over to Ethereum and pay their stupid gas fees. And for the moment, I'm in Chesscoin, USD, and moonpots. Or whatever pots BUSD and then Chesscoin USDC, because these two didn't actually get screwed, but we definitely need to keep an eye on it. So now we have to just keep an eye on Pancake Swap. And the moment we actually see our liquidity pools listed, we probably have to just dump our coins. Because there's a chance that the thing might fail. But what if it doesn't fail, right? Then it's going to be a race to dump everything. So maybe it might be better to just dump everything, unfortunately, and then just come back in later and then just pay whatever price impact fees you have to deal with. Now remember, this actually only applies to the farms page, but not the pools page. And I think Pancake Swap is doing it because they're trying to like control inflation or something and try to force up the value of, you know, their coins. So this one says APR of pots. So maybe a better alternative would be to just stick with the syrup pools here. Oh, maybe not. The APR is only 110%, yeah. Got a fucking frog in my throat. ROI at current rates. Okay. I don't know, my fucking throat's... Yeah, I think I'll forget about the scholarships. DraftKings. NFT prices are crazy. Yeah, NFTs are legitimate. Pancake Squad is red district of a lot of scam programs. Well, Hotbit token's not a scam, and Vi stablecoin's not a scam. So I mean, it's just bullshit. It's just bullshit, and again, it just pisses me off. But again, I guess there's just not much we can do, right? I mean, I thought about creating my own DeFi platform, but that's just a whole nother can of worms. If I wasn't preoccupied with the trademark stuff and creating my own game, I would actually just create my own DeFi platform. And maybe figure out a way to create like a kind of public one where basically I would have to be regulated, but maybe that might work. But I mean, I don't know. I would actually have to move out of New York though, because I would definitely be required to get a stupid bit license. And not only are they expensive, but they're not going to give me one. So I would have to leave this piece of shit state anyway, which I was going to do anyhow. So, I mean, that's pretty much unfortunately it. I mean, just dump your Hotbit BNB and take whatever you can get out of it. And, I mean, I'll definitely discuss this later in the stream, but this is kind of the reason why you can't even wait for me to do videos on this, because A, I'm busy, and then B, shit changes so fast in the markets that, by the time you hear it, everything's already gone down. See, the problem is moonpot. Everyone's also dogpiling the moonpots because it's skyrocketing in price, which is also lowering the APR. Yeah, now the APY is down to 285% and dropping fast because everyone's getting into it. So let's see. Chess Coin probably is getting some buying pressure too. Yeah, it's down to 281%. Yeah, because now that they're closing these random pools, especially the Hotbit BNB pool, all that money's got to go someplace else. So, yeah, so it's going to come to a point where, like, I don't know, man. It's like I don't know why they think this is a good idea. Let's see. Okay. I'm actually going to post a fucking reply on this shit. And then kick look weak. This is a really bad move. This is a really bad move. Hotbit BNB was a legit project and big support. Why did... Oh, this is going to kill DeFi on Pancake Swap long term because... Cardano... This is a really bad move. Like these fucking retards are in reply saying this is a good idea. Like, this is why we cannot have a fucking democracy, because we have stupid shit like this. I mean, look at the fucking Taliban. They're not a fucking democracy, and they're already beating the United States. Red light just. Oh wait, I think I already read that. Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, I just wish I was more famous and I could actually throw my weight around and then actually fucking deter this stupid bullshit that we're seeing. But eventually what's going to happen is they're going to keep voting and killing a lot of good projects. And then everyone's going to get more and more angry. And then no one's going to be using Pancake Swap. At least for the farming high APY stuff. So what'll happen? Well, at that point, we're definitely not going to be in Pancake Swap anymore. I'm going to dump all my shit. And then hopefully by then, Cardano smart contracts will be up and running and kind of mature. Because Cardano smart contracts are estimated to come out in 32 days now. I still can't find the website that has the countdown clock. Alright, so now we have to actually have a page dedicated to fucking Pancake Swap. Because now we have to keep an eye out on whether our liquidity pools are going to get targeted by these stupid fucks on Pancake Swap and so-called democracy. Fucking pissing me off so fucking much. Actually, I should oh, I am following them, right. Okay. I don't see a update yet. Yeah. They don't tweet too much, which is fine. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to wait. Alright, so I think this video is going on pretty long, but unfortunately, you know, I mean, I guess you could always go to Defi Finance, where they probably won't do that stupid shit. I mean, that could be, but the problem is Pancake Swap is Defi Finance. The problem is Defi Finance isn't as strict, and, you know, a lot of projects could go down under, so you have a different kind of risk. Also, let's see. Great, I cannot. That's the other thing too. Their website is always so fucking bad. Oh, that's a shame. Wings BNB is still around. Let's see, what's their current price? 50.4 cents. I can't believe it still hasn't even gone up after all this time. Let's see. Yeah, because I think Defi Finance only screws up, removes a pool if like the project is like getting hacked and has like other problems. I just want to see if they have Hotbit BNB in here because I can't search for a specific. Can't I? Also, I'm not logged in, so they might require that I log in. Yeah. All right. Let me see. Defi Finance Hotbit BNB. Let me see if they have a page for that. Okay, Hotbit channel Defi BFC. I don't know. Is there a link to this? App. Okay, so they do have it. Let's take a look. They have an APY. Yeah, the APY dropped here too. Yeah, because it's tied to Pancake Swap, so it doesn't actually matter. This is so frustrating. Yeah, so it looks like we're actually stuck with fucking Pancake Swap, which is very annoying because that would mean you have to farm and then get out after, like, once you see a vote. That's in addition to all the normal risks associated with everything too. Oh, majority of the burn pool has been stay very nice. Financial emission reduction vote Wednesday, 15 cake per block. Here we come. Okay, so this is actually the real reason why they're doing this. Is because I guess it's the way they work, but they basically want to try to make. They're trying to force Pancake Swap prices higher by cannibalizing more projects on their platform, which is what gave them their value in the first place. It's so fucking dumb. I don't understand why. Right? And when they do reduce everyone's APY, they do it by like 90%. I mean, basically, I don't know what I'm going to title this, but I basically want to say that they're basically scamming people now. Right? But it's not a full scam because they're still very much a legit project. But if they keep doing these stupid APR reductions, yeah, like it'll go from really great project to scam project to everyone just gets fucked and then everyone leaves. And I'm already operating on the assumption that we're just gonna have to leave, right? If they're gonna basically keep stealing our fucking money like this. Because one other thing I did was go into Baby Cake. It was listed as core, so that's why I put a lot of money in that. And then it turned into community, and then they pulled the plug on it. Like, that really fucking pissed me off. I also got, I guess, a couple, like $2,000 maybe, because I was obviously trying to pull profits out every day. And it's like stupid shit like that. It's like, well, what are they doing here? So we'll definitely keep an eye out. I guess we could. Let me see. And what makes it annoying is there's still not a lot of people complaining about it, so it's flying under the radar. It's not even showing up here, but this is actually a real problem. Alright, we'll use this as a thumbnail, I guess. Like, but you know, this vote emission reduction shit is a real problem, because when does it end, right? And what happens when they keep reducing it, but the price doesn't go where they want it to go? Are they gonna keep fucking it up more? And the answer, and based on my own history doing this for like several years, yeah, the answer is yeah, they're gonna just keep doing this until they figure it out. But you know, people are fucking dumb. Like, for example, has anyone even thought about something called Redcoin? That was a pretty hot proof of stake coin. Where did that project eventually go? I'm sure the price is still. In fact, yeah, where is Redcoin? RDD. Yeah, it hasn't really gone anywhere. 2018, yeah. I mean, at least it's very stable, and it's still technically a legitimate project and coin, but you can't force things. You can't force things. That's what's basically happening here, I guess. Maybe I should take my own advice with that, alright? Anyway, I gotta screenshot this. Alright, I'm gonna go. I've got a lot of work to do. I will see you all later after the markets close, because I got a lot of work to do. And I'll have a lot more work to do pretty much this whole week. Because, you know, I want to make sure we're still going to be able to file the opposition this week. And then that'll be that. Bitcoin's still alive. Yeah, I mean, the coins will still be alive, but the problem is we want them to go up, right? Because these are the major coins on CoinMarketCap. So I expect them to be the alpha males of the wolf pack. They're the ones that are leading the charge, right? If they're not, if they're gonna pull, if Pancake Swap's gonna pull the stupid shit where your coin goes from the top page of CoinMarketCap and then goes all the way down to like fucking rank 500, then why am I putting all my money into your shit? Like, I'm seriously really angry. I'm also angry because they're screwing over a lot of people out of their money. Right? The people who lost their money, they didn't get a vote. They didn't fucking hear about this shit. So why the fuck do they deserve to lose all their money for supporting your project? It's a, what do you call that? It's a scam. It's a fucking scam. And then, you know, they can, I mean, I'm going in circles now, but now they can just do it at any fucking pool here, right? And guess who makes the decision, right? The Pancake admin, who's anonymous, and the rich people whales, who also are probably in with the Pancake people, and they'll just pick and choose whoever they want to screw out of their money on this site. Like, that's not good. So, you know, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna make a very threatening video, so that when people continue to lose their money, you know, they'll find my video, and then hopefully that'll help propagate a little bit throughout the internet, and then maybe enough people will complain at Pancake Swap, and then they'll maybe pull back a little bit on this. But I'm not gonna hold any high hopes for it. But yeah, we definitely have to watch our money now, which is annoying because I really just enjoyed having these high APRs, you know. Oh well. Alright. Let me take the screenshot again just to make sure I got it. Yes. Alright. I will see you all later after the market